Hey, what is up YouTubers? It is Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to show you an Amazon Associates affiliate marketing strategy that has been working for a lot of people, and I'm going to show you someone using this strategy to crush it with the Amazon Associates affiliate marketing program. So for starters, I'm going to go over an overview of the Amazon Associates program just because I haven't talked about it that much on this channel, and then I'll get into the dude who is crushing this program. So first of all, if you're not an associate with Amazon yet, you can type in Amazon Associates, click on the first link, it'll bring you to their website. It'll look like this. You can click on sign up, go through the process, get your account good and ready, and then you can start promoting Amazon products and making commissions. So one thing I want to point out is that you can earn up to 10% commissions on every referral that you send to the Amazon website. And the percentages range, so 10% is the highest it goes, and I believe that's the beauty category. Okay, yeah. Luxury beauty, Amazon coins, luxury stores is 10%. That is the highest rate. The next highest is 5% for digital music, physical music, handmade, digital videos, etc. And then it just goes all the way down. I'll have a link to this page in the description below so you can come and view all the percentage payouts, etc. Another cool thing about Amazon Associates is that you not only get paid when someone clicks on your Amazon affiliate link, goes and buys that product. No, if the person clicks on your Amazon affiliate link and they go buy that product, but they also buy 5 other products within 24 hours, you'll get commissions on those as well. And obviously the commission percentage varies per item in the category that they fall under. And one more thing I wanted to point out, if someone clicks on your Amazon affiliate link, views your product and adds it to the cart instead of buys the product, you have up to 90 days, I believe. Here, let me just read this right now. If a customer arrives at Amazon from one of your affiliate links, adds an item to their shopping cart, and leaves Amazon without completing their order, it is still possible for you to earn a percentage of that sale, as long as the item was added to the shopper's cart within a 24-hour window. You'll receive the referral fee if the order is placed before the shopping cart expires, which is typically 90 days. So now that we got that all cleared up, let me get into the actual strategy that has been killing it. So this is the dude who I've been following on Instagram, and he just posts a whole bunch of, like, I don't know, 15 to 25 second review videos of a whole bunch of random Amazon affiliate products. Before I go into this guy and all of his social media channels, let me just show you an example of one of the videos. I'm going to play this one for you guys right here.
Amazon products you need or don't. This is part 209 of 365.
This just may be the world's most compact stool. Pull the top and bottom apart and snap it into place, and you have yourself a stool that can be adjusted in height. It's great for the home, when you're on the go, for fishing and camping, and it has a load capacity of 330 pounds. So what do you think? Is this a useful find or not?
Okay, besides the fact that he was holding his fishing pole completely upside down and it made me cringe a little bit, besides that, he has been killing it with these little 15 to 20 second videos. And in the description of every one of his videos, you can see part 209 of 365, link in bio and comments. And then he has a whole bunch of tags, and look at all the likes and views this guy is getting. Like, he really knows his stuff. But he doesn't just do this on Instagram. He also has a YouTube channel. He's been uploading YouTube Shorts, which is a new thing that YouTube introduced, and he's been getting a decent amount of views with that. So here's that. He's got like 2,000 subscribers, which is good. His TikTok is his main one. He's got 1.5 million followers and 35.1 million likes. So his TikTok is absolutely going viral. And he's just doing these little 20-second Amazon review clips. And they're really good, and they're really easy to make, actually. So that's his TikTok. That's probably his main one. Pinterest, he also uploads all these. I think he might have his girlfriend also uploading some as well. And then this is an example of the link that he uses. So he always says in his videos that the link's in the bio. You know, and all these, go to my homepage, click the link in the bio, and this is an example of one of his feeds. So it's labeled My Amazon Finds, and then a little disclaimer, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. When he's making these videos, you'll see part 210 of 365. if you scroll down, part 199 of 365. And then he's got them labeled in order. So when people, let's say someone is like going through all of his stuff and he gets to part 195, they can go and just quickly search for 195. But this is how simple it is. Like this landing page, you could build one in like 2 seconds. And I'll actually show you guys how to do that with ClickFunnels. We'll get into that right now, actually. So I'm inside of my ClickFunnels account right here, and I just have a blank page. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to build a simple website like this that would contain all of your Amazon affiliate links. So I would just start out going like this, full width. I'm going to delete this. New row, 1 column. Headline, my Amazon finds. And then I'd probably do the same type of disclaimer that he did. I'm pretty sure it's required by the Amazon Associates affiliate program. And then I could just do, I'm going to make a small section, 1 row, and then I'm just going to add a button. Where is the button? There it is. So for example, if I wanted my first product to be, let's see, I just typed in gadgets into Amazon. Oh, that looks cool. Let's say the first review video that I want to do as an Amazon associate, using this strategy of showcasing what the product does and stuff like that. Let's just pretend like I was going to do this strategy. So I'd find out the name of this, gadgets, mini hammer multi-tool. So I'd just come over here and then I'd go like this and I'd label it like number 1 mini hammer multi-tool. And then I would obviously need to have my affiliate link, because as you can see it says warning, button action not set. So we're going to go and get this affiliate link. So when you do create your Amazon Associates account, the back office will look like this. I don't currently promote any Amazon products with this account, so that's why it's totally blank. But I would just come in here and I would paste in the mini hammer multi-tool. And then I'd click search. And I'd want to find the exact one. It looks like this one right here. Yeah. So I would go get link. Actually, I'm going to go back. 1 sec. Bear with me. I'm sorry about that. It's been a while since I've used this. So I would actually go, I'll show you one more time. I'd hit this drop down, and then it'll give you the text link. And this one is super long, so I'm going to go shorten URL. And then this would be my unique affiliate link for this product. And then I come over here and I do set action, and then I would just paste it in here. And then I'd go open in a new tab. So if I created a TikTok account or an Instagram account, I'd shoot like a 15-second video after I bought this product and like hold in my hand, show all the cool things it could do and stuff like that, and I'd post it. Then I'd say click that link in the bio to get yours now. Then people would come to this simple landing page, they'd click on this button for the mini hammer multi-tool, go to Amazon, and if they purchase, I'm getting a commission. Or if they add some stuff to their cart and they check out within 90 days, I'm also getting commissions. So it's a pretty cool little gig that you could set up with very minimal work. Like the only investment really is buying the gifts. I mean, buying the Amazon products that you want to review. And you can just start out buying cheap stuff that you'll actually want to use and you think is interesting, because you'll, actually get some use out of it. There is another quick way to get Amazon associate links as well. So if I go to home here, so as you can see right here, check out our SiteStripe tutorial and learn how to easily monetize your recommendations. They have a video for you guys. Well, I already got it downloaded, but you guys can just Google that if you don't. So if I'm sitting here on this product and I can just come up here to the Amazon Associates SiteStripe and I can go, oh, I'll just get the link real quick. And then it'll have your store ID. I'm going to have it blurred out. And then the tracking ID, I'm going to have this blurred out too. And then it'll say text link created below, and it's defaulted to short link. And I just grab that, copy it, and then I'd come and paste it into my button URL. I think the site stripe is by far the easiest way to go about getting your Amazon associate links, because then you don't have to waste time searching for the actual product. You can just go to the product on the Amazon website and just come up to the top and click on create chart link. So simple stuff. One thing I also want to do is go over a couple more examples of how you could build out your landing pages if you wanted to go this route and promote Amazon products using this method. So in the second landing page I got here, let me just open it up for you guys. You could add in a little more, you could add in some more images like the actual Amazon logo and kind of make it look nice. I put a little background color here. But what I want to show you in this is that you can actually do quick links. So let's say a year from now I'm making a product and it's product number 33. And instead of having people scroll all the way down or whatever, I can have them come to quick links. So they click on this 31 to 40 link, and I'm going to show you how to set that up. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to click on get CSS info, and then I'm going to copy this CSS ID selector. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to come right over here and I'm going to paste it right there. So when people click on this, they'll be redirected, or they'll be brought down to the very first button. And then you can see we got 11 down here. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click this, settings, CSS info. I'm going to copy the CSS ID selector, close it, and then come over here. Enter. And then make sure to save it. And I think that's all we got. And then I'm going to show you a real life example of how it looks. Sometimes it'll take like a minute for ClickFunnels to show the edits that you made, so hopefully they're posted quickly. Okay, they did. So watch when I click on 1 through 10. It brings me to product number 1 and then to 10 right here. And now 11 to 20. I click that, it brings me to 11 to 20. So that's pretty cool. Just a nice little way to organize all your links so people don't have to waste time scrolling. That's just one route. And then my second example, or my third example, is to make it look a lot better on desktop. Because remember, the majority of your traffic, if you're going to be using Instagram and TikTok, is going to be mobile. But if you're going to be doing YouTube review things, then a lot of your traffic will also be from desktop. And then you could just like organize it like this for desktop. And then this way it also still looks really nice on mobile. So this is the mobile preview. So as you can see, it's just nice and easy like that. And again, we could go like this, get the CSS info, copy it, and then just link it. Same thing over here. Oh, not open in new tab, open in the same tab. Alright, now I'm going to show you a preview, and I'm going to show you how it would look on a mobile device. Alright, so I'm going to go to inspect. Okay, there we go. Let's go from an iPhone 6. So this is how it would look on an iPhone 6, 7, or an 8. So we got the quick links here. I'd click and drag us down to 1. Let me go to 20, or I mean 11 to 20. So then we'd have different colors separating the 10. So that looks really nice. And then the third one, 21 to 30, it'd bring us down to there. And that is if we wanted to use this type of strategy where you upload a video reviewing the product and then you give it a number. And this guy does like part 209 of 365. I don't know what he's going to do when he actually reaches 365. That's something that I'm going to be paying attention to because it's going to happen at some point this year. But overall, this dude is just absolutely crushing the Amazon affiliates program. He's probably selling thousands of the actual products that he's reviewing, plus a lot of other things. People get to the Amazon site, they'll get distracted, start buying dog, cat food, etc. He'll get commissions for those within 24 hours of the link click. Plus the add to carts is 90 days valid. So that is how I would go about building the landing page. And if you guys got any value from this video, I would really appreciate a like. It would help out my channel tremendously. And then lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.